And welcome to Grandad Reviews. Today I'm going to have a quick, very unscientific look at can you save battery power by using either just the LCD or the EVF. This was asked in one of my Facebook groups, and so I thought I'd have a quick look. It's nothing scientific. We'll go to the setup now and have a look at it. So I've got the XT30 here. I've set it to LCD only. Autofocus is off, so the only thing that's actually running is the screen and the exposure. And I've got a battery here. We'll check the voltage of the battery now. We'll put it in, fire up the camera, leave it for 5 minutes, and then see the voltage when we come out. And then we'll set the camera just to EVF and do the same thing, another battery, and see if there's any difference. So let's just check the voltage on this battery. And so this battery is 8.2. So I've got a timer, which I'll set as soon as we switch the camera on. So we'll switch it on now. So we'll let that run for 5 minutes and then we'll check that battery voltage. These batteries are all the new S1s, MPW126S. They are the latest Fuji and they are both genuine batteries. So we'll let that run and we'll come back to it in 5 minutes. So there we go. Let's take the battery out. Stick this one back in. Now let's check the voltage on this one now. We had 8.2 when it went in, and we've got 8.09. Yeah. So we've lost 0.11. Right. There's our other battery. Moment it's at 8.24. We'll change the view mode on this. So now we're just on EVF. There's no sensor, it's just EVF running at the moment. Let's double check this battery. 8.24. That one in, and we'll set it running now. We'll give that 5 minutes and then we'll check the power on that one. See you in a minute. On, off. There we go. Battery out. One back in. And we'll see what the voltage is now. 5 minutes, down to 8.02. It was 24 before, so we've lost 0.21. So looking at that, the actual EVF uses more power than the LCD. So if you do want to save battery power, don't leave it on just EVF. LCD if you want to. I think your best bet is a setting where both are off, eye sensors on, so the EVF only comes on when you need it. And that's a good test wheel to try. So at the moment, nothing's on unless I go up to there. I wonder how much power it uses with both off. Let's give it a go. So, let's pick a battery. 8.08, 814, we'll do the 814. So EVF's not on, LCD's not on, eye sensor is, but we're not going to touch the eye sensor. Nothing's on. Switch it on. We'll give it 5 minutes with nothing. And let's see what we get on that. Yeah, so I've got 20 seconds to go. So nothing's been on. Eye sensor is on, so obviously that's looking for an eye, so it is using some power there. But is this going to be the most battery saving way of doing it? 2, 1, and we're off. So let's have a look. And so we're down to 8.05. So we'll have a look at all those test results and we'll come up with a conclusion. Let's get back to the computer. And so the results are in. When we looked at the power differences, and we got the results here. If you just have the LCD on, the battery power went down by 0.11 of a volt. If you just had the EVF on, it went down by 0.22 of a volt. Therefore the EVF looks like it's using twice as much power as the LCD. So if you want to save a bit of power that way, I would just have the LCD on. And probably just have it on the eye sensor for the EVF, so it only comes on when you need it. But if you're doing video, just have the LCD. And it doesn't really save you much if you have none of them on and just the eye sensor switching the EVF on, because that, it actually dropped by 0.09, so not much difference to just the LCD. So that was my extremely quick unscientific look at which uses more battery power, the LCD or the EVF. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.